Hey, I truly salute. Una dey welcome for Pidgin. After match, talk am how you see am. I beg, if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Manchester United 2 and Barcelona 1. And we get our guy Daffy. We be like, say, now, Ogbonge person, Ogbonge man, you fan make tell us about how you see this game. Okay, Daffy, you don't already show them the scoreline already. How you see your team performance today?
Man, they play well. They play well. Even when back at the dominate the game, I still tell my bros, they say, oh, but look, man, you go win this game. Because me, I believe the team normally. I believe the team. Even when I make my prediction, that's how I even predict this score line itself. That last time, yes, 2-1. 2-1. So now what I believe, say, man, you go feed do. And man, you do and then deliver. So now, so it just be for me. Nothing much to talk.
So, if I make I ask you now, what do you get to tell people about your manager? Because you know, say you talk, say even from the very first time when they appoint him from Ayers, when they give him this work, say you believe, say this guy go do ogbonge things. How you they see the way this team they play under Eric Ten Hag now? Just touch that matter small.
If I want to rate the team, I 10/10 because where would they come from? That very dark place.
Last
you get,
season, we know
you
that
get.
man, you come, you know, say they say who don't they ground, no they fear to fall. Now could be man you matter last season, but this season how?
As the guy does come now, he don't do on board. He say he don't do on board. And when he first come, he first talk something. He say errors come to an end. Now I think he talk, and I dey believe him. He dey perform because he don't do it for Ajax before. So I not doubt him one day. I not doubt Ten Hag one day. So in performance at 10/10 for me. That's what it does me.
So, but how you see people when they doubt Manchester United credibility this season? Because you know, say, when they pair Man U with Barca, many people talk, say, Man, you don't go ask, Man, you don't go cross this stage. You don't understand? If you look the top teams where Man, you don't play this season, at least Man, you go still win one leg. If say you strong, well, you win the other leg. How you see all those people where they doubt Manchester United this season? What do you get to tell them?
When they first play us against Barca, I believe say Barca go first come out us. You get that time.
You even predict that.
Yeah, I even predict that Barca go win 2-0. But as I dey watch Man U, they convince me more and more. So who they doubt Man U, they doubt Man U. I not believe say Man U go even lose match against like that. I'm not gonna lie you. I'm not gonna believe say Man U because when they play as a unit. And team when they play together, they win together. You get so that's why it just be. I don't feel any team for Europe say go feel. If you use Man U take cash cruise like this.
So Manchester United now be the hottest team for Europe right now, or for the world. I'll be how you say it.
For Europe like this, Man U the hot pass. Nobody hot pass Man U like this. That Premier League, no wahala, we dey come.
So, but the Premier League goes still far. We still get many things to talk about the Premier League. But on Sunday, yeah, this one no far again. Manchester United go face Newcastle for the Carabao Cup final. How you dey see that one? Chance of first trophy for Manchester United for the season?
Walk over for Man U for me. Again, I walk over match. If the game not end 2-0, the game go end 3-1. If Newcastle score, we'll score. And that game, Newcastle now walk over now.
Score prediction?
2-0.
2-0 Manchester United.
2-0 Manchester United.
So before I let you go, today's game, who will be your man of the match?
Antony.
Antony for you.
Antony.
All right, now, guy Daffy, thank you for your time. Like on the people now lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you now as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share them with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.